Ayan, patungo kami ngayon sa kainan. And we're finding food to eat. We're just rounding. Ayan, we're just doing video for that guy. Suddenly we go to another guy. Ayan. We're waiting for the stop. Stop. If the stoplight will stop, then we will cross. Ayan, nag-green na. Punta na kami sa kabila. Ayan. Wait lang. Ay, ito pala yung location na to. Dubai to.
Dubai lang yan.